Imagine a smartphone that can smell your garlic breath or detect a gas leak before disaster strikes. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Scientists are getting closer to building electronic noses, e-noses, that can smell just like humans, or even better. A new review in Nature says these scent-sensing chips use special brain-like technology called neuromorphic computing. Instead of relying on one sensor, they detect smells through complex patterns, just like our noses do. Humans can recognize around a trillion different scents with very little energy, something machines have never been able to match. But now researchers are making huge progress. These e-noses could do so much more than just tell if your breath smells bad. They could detect spoiled food, spot infections in hospitals, monitor air quality, or warn people about dangerous gas leaks. Earlier this year, a team in Korea even built a working model of a small neuron, showing that the science is moving from ideas to reality. Future versions might use biohybrid materials like fungi and brain-inspired algorithms to make the sensors even smarter and more accurate. If this goes well, e-noses could transform everyday life. Factories could use them to catch leaks before they spread. Doctors could diagnose diseases faster, and your kitchen might soon tell you when the milk's about to go bad. The goal isn't just to copy the human nose, it's to build one that never gets tired, works anywhere, and can literally sniff you out of danger. Isn't that revolutionary? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.